Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Abel, and in this video I'm gonna see what we're gonna go to the secret island. There's like this adopt me island, and yeah, oh, this is my friend. She asking me, yes, so me ask her, yes. Can you say hi, YouTube? If this doesn't, oh no, come on. Can you say hi? Okay, so guys, in this video we're gonna going to the secret adopt me island. So yeah, let's start the video. Okay, then just say and get on their flying pets. Oh, okay. She's my best friend. Yeah, I'm gonna ask them to follow me. And a lot of people say that guys, you actually get free pets when you go to that island, and there are a lot of pets. Okay, she's following me in your fly pets. Okay guys, so we're gonna be going, and when you go a little bit further you can actually see it, but right now I cannot see it because I'm not that far. Where is it? We have to find it first. Where is it? Should we go down? I think so, yeah. Oh, I saw it. You guys, can you see that little balloon? So yeah, we're gonna fly there, and yeah, hopefully my friends can see that too. Are they coming? Yeah, they're coming. I have cherry with me also, guys. I got one more neon unicorn. Her name is Pixie, and I got her actually. I traded it for my neon dragon, and I got a big one. And I think I'm gonna make a mega myself now. Also, guys, in my previous video, somebody commented that for my neon frost fairy, my neon dragon, and my neon unicorn, for their mega unicorn, and if they're watching this video, I am willing to do your trades, so please comment down below your Roblox username so we can trade if you're interested in giving your mega unicorn for my things. Yeah, so guys, we're gonna fly here. Oh, let me tell my friends that's oopsie, why do I always do these things? That's the island. Let me tell them. Oh, my game is not loading. And also guys, I'm also gonna be teaching you guys an awesome cool trick when we are there. I mean, this is the edit homes and stuff back. My game is not loading that much. I don't know why it doesn't load. So guys, we're going to flying to the secret island. Are they saying something? I think so. Oh, where it go? But it always happens, guys, that whenever you're just looking like that. I think my friend is left behind. It's coming a little bit closer, as all you guys can see. Let me just. Oh, where did I lock my door? Let's see. You guys can see that. Oops, my friend teleported and she fought. Oh, she's here. Guys, I think it's going to be very fun. Imagine getting a free pet from there. That would be so fun. Yeah, it would be awesome. Almost there. I mean, not almost there. Oh, wow. Actually, we're halfway there. Let me tell my friends. Halfway there. Oh, my friend. She literally is. Yeah, I'm going to teleport to her. Hee hee hee. Her dream pet is a neon unicorn. Okay. Where did my other friend go? Is she far behind? Is she even online? Or she got disconnected? Okay, she's still behind. Where did... Oh, come on. Why did the island? I lost it again. This always happens, guys, but don't worry. I'm just gonna teleport to her. Yeah, that's the island. We're almost halfway through. No, she's saying I'm her. I'm gonna ask who. What? I'm confused, but okay. So guys, we're halfway there, and we're gonna explore this island. And the best thing about this island is you could actually edit on the island. Like, you see, that's like, okay, that's my house. It's very little now, and you can see it's a part of your house. You could still, like, you see the edit button. My game is not loading, but except for that, it's here. See, what is that? I'm good. What do I do now? Let me press edit. Yeah, okay, back. Now it's gone. Okay, why does these things always happen to me? I don't know, but yeah. Oh, she teleported to me, I teleported to her. Oh yeah, we are close. What do you mean, why? Okay guys, we're almost, not almost, but yeah, we're still there. Where did the island go? Oh, come on. Yeah, okay, it's there, it's there. This is gonna be a very long video, guys. I'm pretty sure. Oh well, yeah. It's kind of close. I mean, kind of not. Oh, actually, it's kind of close. I could see the hot air balloon. Okay, guys, so we're almost there. Please, hurry up. Oh, it's night time. Wow, guys, the neon one looks so cute. We're almost close. Like when the pets are flying, the neon, it looks so cool. Where did it go? Where did the island go now? Come on, you kidding? Oh, it's there. See, guys, you could see the edit buttons better. So you could actually edit on the island. Like you could do anything you want. Build a house or whatever you feel like. We're close. We're getting close, guys. Almost there. I mean, not almost, but definitely more than halfway. Okay, I could see the water. I could see the hot air balloon. Oh, my friend just teleported. Where is she? I'm gonna say let me teleport to her. It's easier. Say almost. Where's my other friend? She's my best friend. Oh, she's like right behind me. I'm sorry, Unicorn. I'm very sorry that I have to wait for so many tasks. My friend is very far. Okay. Oh, we're close. I could actually see the floating hot air balloon. Okay. Okay, she teleported to me. Where is she? Oh, where's my house? I cannot even see it now. Guys, can you see that? I could see the gifts. I'm pretty sure guys cannot see that. If you look carefully, you could actually see the gifts. Let me just go far behind. Oh, she's my friend. Guys, look, the hot air balloon is moving, and yeah, we're almost there. Okay, this is definitely taking a lot of time. I was not expecting this much, but the hot air balloon is actually moving. I'm impressed. Imagine, guys, there are actual people living on that island, or that is another server. Oh my god, that would be awesome. My friend, I cannot find her. Where is she? Where are we? Now cannot see the island. Oh, guys, they're very close. Let me teleport to my best friend. Okay. Where is it? Can't believe I always lost it. Oh yeah, it's there. Guys, it's now very close. I could see the gifts. I could see the place where you buy the ticket of the balloon. Yeah, that. It's okay. It's daytime now, and we are gonna fly there. It was. Yeah, she's saying OMG. I'm also gonna say OMG. Hopefully they can see because my game is not loading. Why does this always happen to me? Why? Let me teleport to Shava 12. Oh my god, I could see it. We're so close. Guys, what's the red thing? Is that the sky castle? Oh my god. Oh, see, absolutely mistyped. Never mind. I'm sorry guys, this video is literally about me teleporting to my friends, but that's okay. Oh, wait, what? I could see the gifts. Can you buy a gift? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We are there, guys. Oh my, I could see the gifts clearly. Wait, let me just zoom in. Wait, what? Wait, what? I'm standing. Wait, what? Okay, let me teleport to her real quick. Because I don't want to. Oh no, we landed in her house. Where is she? Is she on her house? Okay, let me take out my unicorn because I really don't want to. Who's this? Wait, is that my friend? She got a kangaroo? She never told me. Wait, let me ask her. You got a kangaroo? You are a kangaroo. Oh, she never told me. Guys, you could see how cool is this? I don't see anybody in this island. Who is this girl? I don't know her. Actually, I do. Do I? I don't know this girl. Is she one of my friends list? No, I don't know her. Okay, guys. Oh my god, my friend just teleported to me. Can you buy a gift? I wanna buy one. Oh, okay. You cannot buy a gift, but there is so. Oh, okay. Guys, the part. Wait, what happens? What? Wait, what? Oh my god, this is the water. Imagine if you have a water. Oh no. Let me teleport to her. I don't want to. We worked so hard for this and come on. Let me teleport. Let me take out my unicorn. I'm just like um uh, what is happening, guys? I don't understand what is happening. Or something. Oh my god, my game is glitching, like seriously. Do you have to glitch right now? Okay, let me reset my character. Then I'll teleport to my friend. One of my friends teleported to me. Never mind, I guess. She thinks I'm there. Oh no. Okay guys, so my game is stuck right now. So I think this was it for my video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification